Welcome to Discovering DataFlex number 20 with me, Johan Bronfeld. Today we're going to do something we should have done from the start, namely installing DataFlex. But it's never too late. First, you go to dataaccess.eu and then you scroll down here and select DataFlex, and you can select version or just DataFlex, and then you're entering your mail address and proceed to the download. But I already have a version, and I actually have a beta of the latest version that I'm going to try to install here today. So let's hope that that works. So let's start this. First of all, yes, I will allow the DataFlex installation to use administrative rights, and yeah, it's protected by law. Then we run the web app check, because if we want to develop web application, we need the IIS to be working and we need some configurations there. So we start by running this, and now I should have most of these up and running. But if I don't, I have to go into the configuration and set them up. The default website, let's see why that is not accessible. That's because I have another web server on port 80, so you cannot, that's why this one doesn't work either. I have it on 82, the IIS, so I don't care too much about these. How to enable 32-bit application, I might go into the IIS. Yeah, and let's see, default application. Now we have it. Advanced settings. There you go. You can see I have it on port 82 there, and where do I have that? There. And here you can activate 32 bits program. You need to switch this to true. And let's go back to the installation. And you have these you need to have activated, and you do that in your control panel. Applications and functions, and install, let's see, activate and deactivate Windows components, and remain under IIS, and you make sure that those are checked, and if they're not, you will also get a description on how to do that somewhere here. Let's see, I think you get it here. Yeah. No. Okay, since I have everything configured, I don't get that list of how to do it, but you have a how-to list here, so you don't have to watch this video. And then I select the language, and you have a long list of languages to select from. You should use the language in which you will write applications, because the database will be default set up to that collecting sequence. So I use English because most of the applications I build actually are created for English usage. But you can change that per workspace. and I accept the license term and install on default location. And file associations, select all and register license, and here you can enter your serial number, registration name and registration key. You can also do that later, and I'll show you that as well. Next, and compiling class library. And now the application is installed, and we will run it. Help, and let's try a web order mobile application. See if it runs. And of course, now I'm going to use the 482 because that's how my web service setup. Yes, seems to be working. Yes, and there you go. Now I told you I should show you how to register this as well. So I go to the DataFlex and I have this register DataFlex. If I can run this, and here I get the same prompt again. And right now I have the test license, but I actually have a real license, but I'm not going to enter it in this video. But there we go. Everything is in order. Bye for now.